Hello world, I'm Rishon Fernandes and this is my project submission for Cs50's web development courses project 1 titled Wiki. So let's begin. So the first part of the specification states that we should make an entry page. So this is the entry page, and whenever I type in an entry's name in the wiki page, in the wiki's URL, for example I type in CSS, then I get taken to CSS page. I type in HTML, I get taken to HTML's page. But what if I just type in a random page that does not exist? For example, I type in the wrong spelling of Django. Django. It's not found. I get an error page and the project's first part is completed. Let's move on. Index page. So I should update index.html to look pretty good. And I think I've done that using bullets over here to make each list item a link to each of the pages in my Wikipedia. And I've also upgraded the search bar, which you can see over here, the sidebar. Yeah. So let's continue. Search, the next part of the specification. So whenever I type in a perfect name, that is the perfect title of the page, I should be taken to it. And I'm taken to Rishon Fernandes when I type Rishon Fernandes. And what if I only type Rishon? I'm given the results which contain Rishon. And when I return, I get taken back to Rishon Fernandes. But what if I type in a page that does not exist? Yet another error page. So let's move on. New page. So to create a new page, I click on create new page and I give a title to it. For example, Rhino Fernandes. Demonstration purposes, guys. And I put in a heading hello. So I create and there's a new page created. But what if I create a page which has the same title yet again? For example, I forgot the title of that page. Rhino Fernandes. Yes, Rhino Fernandes. And the body can be entirely different, but it already exists. I get an error code. And so we're done with the next part, and let's move on. Edit page. So when we go to edit a page, for example, if you go to visit any page, if I go to GitHub and Git, I can press this edit button to edit the page, and over here I get the markdown that I used to edit. I used to make the page. So now I can edit the page. For example, change a few spacing in the file just for convenience, and then I can change the title itself, GitHub and Git, and programming software. Okay, and I remove this last line. So once I do that and I press the edit button, I have edited the page, and now as you can see that last line is not there and the title has been edited. Yes, so we're done with edit, and now we can go to random page. So clicking on random page should return me a random page from this list of pages. So when I click on random page, now first I get taken to Django. It's all demonstration purposes, guys. So then I get taken to Python, Rhinos, hello, Rishon Fernandes, and again Django. So it just selects randomly. So let's move on. We're done with random, and the last part is markdown to HTML conversion. So the markdown to HTML conversion is done by using the markdown library, means the markdown 2 library, and in that the markdown function. So I get the file and I convert it from markdown to HTML. It is stored as markdown, as you can see over here. Those are all the entries, and so that conversion is done, and then I return a render. I render a template, and then I return these variables over there. And so when I go to this pages template, I put the HTML over here, and I put it with a save tag, so that the HTML comes not as a part of the page but as the programming part of the page. And so with this we're done. This was Cs50w project 1 wiki. Thank you.